Now, before coming to Australia, you all must have heard that doing delivery jobs, especially food delivery jobs, is one of the most lucrative jobs. You don't have to work under someone. Working as a Deliveroo driver, Menulog driver, Uber Eats driver is quite easy, right? So today, let's discuss about Uber Eats here in Australia. This video is pretty much like a guide. I've never done Uber Eats firsthand, but I've most of the times accompanied my friends when they're doing Uber Eats, and that's where I picked up on a lot of information. I do give them a bit of helping hand. I'm such a good friend, right? I do have my laptop here, so I don't want to miss up on the sign up information and a little bit more information that I would like to share with you. Without any further ado, let's get started. So we've got about 3 apps that is related to Uber: the normal Uber app, the Uber Eats app where you can deliver food. But if you would like to become a delivery driver, you have to download Uber Driver app. So go ahead to your app store and install Uber Driver app. Now, once the sign up is done, go ahead and sign up with your Google account. That's the easiest way in how you can do that. Set up your password and write down your account name so that it's easy for them to identify you as a person, right? They're also going to ask for your contact number, which is Australian contact number, because they are going to send you a bunch of codes whenever you sign up, and that's just another layer of verification there. Then you would come across this page where it says, where would you like to earn? So because I am from Melbourne, I would type in Melbourne and click enter. If you are living in Adelaide, maybe Perth, Sydney, just type in your location, because that's where your Uber Eats would activate and that's where you will be getting orders. That's the location. And then you will be prompted to the next page wherein you will be asked, how are you going to do and what are you going to do? So you can work as an Uber driver, Uber X, that is the cars, that is the cab, and you can do Uber Eats via bicycle. You can also do motorcycle, you can also do car. So based on the mode of transportation that you have, go ahead and choose the one. However, if you are selecting Uber Eats via car, it is important for you to be 18 plus. You should also hold Australian full license, full driver's license, or you should have a temporary visa that has working rights, and you should be able to have full overseas license, because that's when you are going to upload and Uber is going to do verification for. Next few steps would be accepting a bunch of terms and conditions, and from there that will start the real deal of uploading the right documents. So initially Uber is going to ask you for your passport or any form of photo ID which you are supposed to upload. The next thing that they would ask would be your driver's license, the front and back of your driver's license, and please upload it, scan it and upload it clearly, because there are high chances of rejection whenever you upload documents digitally, right? Then you will be asked to click a profile photo, and you just have to do that and click your profile photo. There's nothing too complicated about it. And then they would ask you for your registration number. Now you will have an option to type in your registration number or upload the reg document that you have. So whichever is easy, just go ahead and get done with that. Now once these are done, you will be notified to finish your background and work verification along with your ABN. Now ABN is nothing but your Australian business number. You should be able to have ABN before you go ahead and apply as a Uber Eats driver. You can have ABN as a sole trader, because that's the easiest way, and that's pretty much what you are doing currently as an Uber Eats driver. You are a sole trader, right? Now there are some things that I would like you guys to know. Now Uber gives you incentives in the form of Quest, and this can look like anywhere, such as if you are able to finish 20 trips from Monday to Thursday from 4 p.m. to 12 a.m., then you are able to earn extra $60. Now this $60 is extra, and it is upon what you get from those deliveries that you earn. So these are some things that you can look out for whenever you log in. If you have any quests, if you have any incentives, go ahead. It's just an extra way of, getting money. Uber payments are done on weekly basis on every Tuesday. So whenever you finish, the next Tuesday, you will receive all that payment to the nominated bank account that you mentioned when you sign up. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments section, and I hope this video was helpful. I'll see you next next week. Until then, bye.